Welcome to Gateway Community College Central City Campus. Welding allows you to marry two pieces of metal together, creating a bond that is nearly indestructible. You will learn several welding processes and techniques for various applications in our lab. We also offer several certificate programs to prepare you for a new career in a variety of different settings, including large shops, manufacturing facilities, the marine and watercraft industry, and construction sites. Time to complete varies based on the area of focus. We also are one of the most affordable education options in Arizona. Scholarships and payment plans are available.